BRABUS has taken a surprising new direction that no one saw coming. Instead of offering another ultra-exclusive, high-horsepower machine built with the company's usual engineering precision, BRABUS is now giving fans the chance to build their own version of its wildest vehicle ever, the 900 Crawler. But there is a twist. This new version does not require a factory, tools, or engineering knowledge. All it requires is your hands and a lot of patience. That is because the iconic tuning brand has partnered once again with German brick specialist BlueBrixx to create the BlueBrixx Pro BRABUS CRAWLER in 1:8 scale. What looks like a luxury supercar announcement is actually a detailed brick building set with 4,280 pieces. Priced at just under €200, this model delivers a rewarding way for collectors and enthusiasts to get a piece of BRABUS engineering at a fraction of the price. The brand even jokes that any 3-year-old could build it, poking fun at the fact that the real crawler is a machine costing well over $1 million and is not legal for public roads. While this brick creation is clearly humorous in its presentation, the technical craftsmanship behind it is serious. The huge piece count alone places it in BlueBrixx's Pro lineup, designed for builders who enjoy accuracy, mechanical detail, and a challenging build process. The partnership between BRABUS and BlueBrixx is not new. It began with smaller sets, such as the BRABUS Wide Star in 6-stud width, offering a simple display model for fans. This new release, however, elevates the collaboration to a completely different level. It represents a massive jump from small collectibles to a highly technical masterpiece. The set includes full suspension articulation to replicate real off-road movement, custom tires styled after BRABUS monoblock HD rims, an opening hood, and a detailed engine section that mirrors the layout of the real crawler. The inspiration behind all this brick-building ambition is the 1-to-1 BRABUS 900 Crawler. This beast stands apart from anything the company has ever built. It is not based on a G-Wagon in a traditional sense. Instead, it uses a unique steel tube frame chassis that forms the core of an open-body desert racer. Exposed carbon fiber panels, a 4-seat layout without doors, and an aggressive off-road stance define its attitude. Portal axles at the front and rear elevate the machine to a towering ground clearance of 53 centimeters, allowing it to glide over obstacles. High-strength aluminum parts, portal hubs, control arms, and suspension struts all contribute to a weight significantly lighter than the G63, giving it astonishing off-road performance. Under the hood lives the BRABUS Rocket 900 V8 engine, with twin-turbo boost, producing 900 horsepower and an enormous 774 pound-feet of torque. Its staggering power allows a 3.4-second sprint to 62 miles per hour, though top speed is limited to 99 miles per hour to protect its off-road tires. Production was strictly limited to 15 units, making it one of the rarest machines BRABUS has ever built. With prices exceeding $1 million, owning the real crawler is impossible for most people. This makes the new brick model surprisingly meaningful. Instead of chasing a vehicle so rare that only a handful of collectors will ever touch it, fans can now experience a scaled-down version of the engineering spirit that makes the crawler iconic. For a little over $200, enthusiasts get a detailed, display-worthy replica packed with features. It represents the ultimate contrast between exclusivity and accessibility. The real crawler demands extreme terrain and deep pockets, while the brick model fits on a desk and can be enjoyed by anyone willing to spend hours assembling it. As the flagship of the BlueBrixx Pro line, this model stands as a tribute to the original machine at a price that nearly anyone can reach. It captures the unique spirit of BRABUS design in a format that fans around the world can actually own, build, and proudly display. The $1 million crawler may never hit public roads, but now, thanks to this partnership, its legend can live in living rooms, offices, and collector shelves everywhere.